Now we are going to see how to solve problems in two-way classification. First, you need to identify the difference between one-way classification and two-way classification. One-way deals with only one factor. In two-way, there will be two factors. Clearly, you can see. So this is the problem 1 already we have done. So if you see, this 12 corresponds to only A, 10 corresponds to A, and then like that. Here you can see it is only one factor, but if you see in the second question, we have number 6 here. That 6 refers for whom? A as well as 1. What is that? A, states, and then 1 refers salesman. So there are two factors. One is salesman, another one is states. There are three states and then 4 salesmen. So maybe depending on sales or how they are moving and all. So this 6 refers data corresponds to both A and I. So that means this is a two-way analysis. Hope you remember. Even sometimes they may give in a row. You have to write in terms of columns. But here as such we can proceed. So this is the problem what we are going to do. This is the given problem. So initially we will start with null hypothesis and then alternate hypothesis. What's a null hypothesis? There is no significant difference with respect to column and row. What is H1? There is no significant difference with respect to column and then row. So first we need several factors. What are they? C, R, N, alpha and all. So what is C? Number of column, how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. C is 4. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3. What is N? Either 3 into 4, 12, or you just count 12 number of observations. Alpha is the level of significance. That is a 5% which is fixed. First we need to find correction factor. What is the correction factor? Grand total square divided by N. You find the total of all the entries. 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus like that. You find all total, square that, divided by N. How many N is there? 12. So divide it, we are getting 560.33. Next we need to find total sum of squares. What is total sum of squares? 6 square plus 5 square plus 3 square plus 8 square, like that we need to add all the square minus correction factor. So correction factor is 560.33. So we got it is 41.67. Next we need to find SE square. What is SE square? SE square, sum of squares of column total. For that column, what is the first column? Find the total. 10 plus 8, 18 plus 6, 24. So 24 square divided by number of elements 1, 2, 3. So divided by 3. Next 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. 21 square divided by 3. Like that we need to do for 2 more columns minus correction factor. Similarly you have to find SR square. What is SR square for row? What is the first row? By this, that is corresponds to A. So 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 11, 22. 22 square divided by how many elements are there? 4. Like that you need to do for all the entries minus correction factor. Next we have to find SE square. How to find SE square? From TSS we need to subtract this. So TSS minus SE square plus SR square. Now we need to compute that table. What is the source? Column, row, error. Next source of sum of squares, SE square, SR square, SE square. Already we got, just we need to substitute. Next degree of freedom, C minus 1, R minus 1, N minus C minus R plus 1. How many column? 4. So 4 minus 1, 3. How many rows? 3. So 3 minus 1, like that. Next MC square, just the ratio, 8.336 divided by. What is the MR square? 12.67 divided by 2. What is the ME square? 20.663 divided by 6. We got this. Now for column, what is the calculated value? MC square divided by ME square. If you see 2.77 is less than, if you divide, that will be less than. So that means what we have to do? We have to do the division like ME square divided by MC square. That is what we got, 1 point. For column we got this. For row, MR square divided by, you see 6.33 divided by, that is applicable because this is greater than 1. So MR square divided by ME square. Where this is going to reflect, it will reflect in table value. Finding the table value. More than that, F ratio should be greater than. Hope you remember. Here if you divide like MC square divided by ME square, means you will get this value is less than 1. Don't do that mistake. Once if you calculate this, check the value. If the value is less than 1, you reverse and then do. Now we have to check the table value. How to check the table value? For column, we divided ME square by, so ME square, so corresponding 6 comma 3. So you have to refer at 6 comma 3. For row, we have to check it. ME, that is 2 comma 6. Table value, it is 8.94 and then 5 point. Please refer the table. So now this is the table value. This is so calculated value is less than table value. So accept H0 for column. Similarly, this table value is less than calculated value is less than table value, so accept H0 for row. That means there is no significant differences. Possibility is there, sometime this may get accepted, this may get rejected, sometimes this may get rejected, this may get accepted, or both may get rejected. So there are four possibilities. That's it. Just check with the table value. Once if you are not able to go through it, just send me a message. I will clarify that.